Morning, are you Daniel Martinez?
Yes.
And this is 25 DCCR 1414. Mr. Martinez was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I received the pre-sentence report, and has everyone had an opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
Any additions or corrections,
Understood. None.
explanations about self-defense?
There are situations that he'll tell you about, Your Honor, that he asked to speak about.
So here's the thing, Mr. Martinez, in your pre-sentence report, you didn't really accept responsibility. You said that you did this, but that you did it only in self-defense. If you did something in self-defense only, then
Listen to it first. Then. Yes, ma'am.
then obviously that's a defense
Yes.
and you should go to trial.
Yes.
But if you did it and you're taking responsibility, then I need to know that.
No, look about that responsibility. And I said that to the probation officer.
Okay,
He probably took it a little bit wrong.
okay, all right.
Yes.
Any reason not to go forward then with sentencing, Mr. Smith? All right, then at this time, Mr. Martinez, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney's office. Defer all proceedings, place you on probation for 6 years. You're ordered to pay the $1,000 fine and to follow all the rules and conditions of probation. One of those is going to be that you are not allowed to have any drug or alcohol. And I am, at least for some amount of time, going to order that you wear a scram unit, which is a unit that will tell me immediately if you have any alcohol in your system. Probation can tell you where you need to get that, but you need to get it, give them proof of it. Mr. Paget can explain that as well. Everything in here looks like alcohol had a huge part of it. The substance abuse evaluation that they did tells me that alcohol is an issue. If there is anything else that probation feels like would be helpful to make sure that you stay clean and some type of program, then you're going to be ordered to do whatever it is. Do you understand? If you do everything you're supposed to on this probation, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record. The end of the probation period, if you're successful, the case will actually be dismissed. You'll never have a felony conviction on your record. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, so you would be a convicted felon, and you could go to prison for anywhere in the range of punishment, which is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. And if you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Yes, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I have a screen device. I've been wearing it for 10 months.
Okay.
I have a GPS monitor that I've been wearing for 10 months.
So the GPS was a part of your bond. That's going to be, that's off. You can get that off today. The scram until, if you'll just make a note that if they feel like that's the length of time is enough on probation, then they'll send me something over. But for now, let's keep that on.
So,
I know it's a lot of money. You can take the GPS though, you're done with that because that hadn't had any issues. And as long as they double check on that scram, then I'm okay with that as well. Just.
And Your Honor, if he does his submission, if he shows that he's staying clean, there are no violations on it.
No, they'll take a look at how long you've had it on once you get with your probation officer, and it shouldn't be much longer. They'll send me something. We can get that.
Thank you
taken.
very much.